We'll guide you through how to add music to CapCut. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in CapCut, and so you want to go and add music. We're going to guide you through this step by step of the different options you've got and how it can be done. So to get started, you can come into a CapCut project. You can see I'm already in the app here. What you can do is you can go down and you can go and create a new one or open an existing one. I have this one here. So we're going to go and add music. Maybe it's background music or music is the main audio. It doesn't matter. So now what we want to do is you can go down here and make sure you haven't got anything selected and come to the bottom row. And near the start, you're going to see the option for audio. Tap there. Now what you can do is you can go and press sounds. This will go and open up. CapCut are going to go and provide you with some audio you can go and browse through here. If you're trying to go and use this on platforms like YouTube and other social platforms, you want to make sure you're using music which can be used for commercial use. So what we need to do is we're going to go and download some. So we can come out of CapCut and you can go and open up a web browser. Now, there are different sites you can go and get music from. For example, you could use the YouTube audio library. I use a site called NCS and they provide copyright-free music for creators. We just need to go and give credit. You can check out the usage policy there. There are other platforms out there as well, like Pixabay, where you can go and get music from as well. Now, what we want to do is go and find some music you want and you can go and download it. I'll do this one here, for example, and press download, confirm my decision. It's now downloaded. You can see it's completed. Now, what you can do is come and return to CapCut like so, and we now need to go and add it in. So to do that, you need to come into audio as we already are, press that folder at the top, then you can press device and press select from device. Then you can go and find it. It should be in recents, but you can go and browse and go to your downloads if needed. Then you can select it and you can go and press open, and there it is. You can then press the plus to the right and it'll then go and add it in. What you can do is you can go and tap and hold it, and you can tap and hold it and adjust the start and end point like so. And then once it's selected, you can press volume and you probably want to go and turn it down. When you're happy with the level, you can press the tick and that's it. You've now added it. You can make further trims and edits as well. What I like to do is come to the end and just make a split so it goes and ends when the video ends. And we can then delete this part here, select it and press delete. That's it. If you found this useful and want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We post videos like this every single day, so I'm sure you'll be able to go and find something else useful. I look forward to catch you again in the future with another how-to.